How can we learn about things that lived long ago? So we can learn about plants and animals that lived long ago by studying fossils. Fossils are the remains of living things. Some fossils give clues about a living thing's size and shape. A large fossil tooth or jaw tells us that the animal was probably very large. Other fossils can tell us what an animal ate. Sharp teeth tell us the animal was probably a meat eater. Flat teeth tell us the animal was probably a plant eater. Fossils can also teach us how an animal moved. Foot and leg bones help us learn if the animal could run or climb. Fossils with wings teach us that animals could fly. All right.
I have a question. So we are human. We can eat meat, right? My question is, we have flat teeth, but how we can still eat meat?
Okay, so that's what I was going to answer before. So there's some people and some scientists who say that humans, many years ago, like the first humans on Earth, only ate plants. And as we got, more generations and more generations, they started eating meat. But if you look at our teeth, most of them are pretty flat, right? We only have about like these right here that are
6 or 8.
Well, I don't know. It's like this one right here that are a tiny bit sharp, but not really, right? So
But these are sharp.
Yeah, but if you compare our teeth to teeth of tigers and lions who really do eat meat, then our teeth are pretty flat. So there's some people who say our teeth are this way because we can eat both meat and plants. And there's other people who say, well, humans shouldn't really eat meat. They should only eat plants. And it's even healthier for them. So there's two sides. All right. So go ahead.
How can we learn about things that lived long ago? We can learn about plants and animals that lived long ago by studying fossils. Fossils are the remains of living things. Some fossils give clues about living things' size and shape. A large fossil tooth or jaw tell us that the animal was probably very large. Other fossils tell us what an animal ate. Sharp teeth tell us animal was probably a meat eater. Flat teeth tell us the animal was probably a plant eater. Fossils can also teach us how an animal moved. Foot and leg bones help us learn if the animal could run or climb. Fossils with wings teach us that the animal could fly.
All right, good. So many of these things we already knew, right? So we knew that the teeth can tell us what an animal ate, but now we learned a few other things, right? So we learned that if the fossils have wings, it means that they can fly. What else can we learn about a fossil or about an animal?
Like about the teeth size and
Right. So besides the teeth and the wings, what other things?
Yeah, and the fins. If the dinosaurs have swim or something.
Okay.
Can I swim? But see the feet side. If the feet is very large and very super large, like a tail large. Well, I think that's very large. Then there must be like a beak. Big one. But it's tiny small, then it's a small one.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is the fun part about third grade. Okay, so many things that you learn in third grade are things that you already learned in second grade, right? They're just adding a little bit more information, right? So you already knew what a fossil was. You already knew what that a fossil tells you things about an animal. They're just adding a few more things to it. Okay, so this megalodon tooth on the right, so this one right here, this huge gray one, is much larger than a great white shark tooth on the left. This tells us megalodons were very large.